Guys, remember this giant block of ice? Well, I tried to melt it with molten copper, but nothing happened. You remember that video? I also tried sparklers, but the same, no luck. But sodium was more lucky. But today I gonna try something else, something new. Yes guys, this baby right here, never play with it. This thing is really powerful. So, let's start. So beautiful, just look at this. Well, looks like everything is ready, so let's just do it. Holy, that was so loud. Oh man. Woo! Oh man, I've told you, this thing is really powerful. Have you seen this? So cool in slow motion, right? Just look at all these pieces of ice all around. Guys, if you want more such kind of videos, I mean like this, with all this boom stuff and everything, you know what to do. At last, I managed to break it. Oh man, that was really cool. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.